Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing OBLU Nature Helengeli-All-Inclusive with free transfers. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Offering a spa center, OBLU Nature Helengeli-All-Inclusive with free transfers at Helengeli is located in North Male Atoll, 50-minute speedboat transfer from Malé International Airport. The resort has an outdoor pool and views of the sea, and guests can enjoy a drink at the bar. A flat-screen TV with satellite channels and an iPod docking station are offered. Certain units include a seating area to relax in after a busy day. You will find a coffee machine and a kettle in the room. All rooms are equipped with a private bathroom equipped with a bath or shower and shower. Extras include bath robes and slippers. A TV with cable channels is available. The OBLU Experience offers guests high-quality world cuisine clubbed with a range of activities including superlative diving, water sports and a serene garden spa. The island is located in a secluded area on the northeastern side of North Male Atoll, with over 30 prime dove spots in the nearby vicinity and having least amount of dove activity year-round. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.